I needed something that was going to be a little more under my control. So that's when I saw your ad in Facebook and decided to give it a shot and try to make my own company. The course was great. It's laid out very well, very systematic, easy to find uh, what you're looking for as far as if it be electronics or setups or frets or whatever. And working with you was great. I mean, you were always there when I had a problem and helped me out the best you could, and always got back to me in a very timely manner. So that was great. Well, I haven't worked for that other company for almost a year and a half. I've just been making money off guitar repairs. It's going great. I've got 124 5-star reviews now, and it keeps going. And the people have been great. Business it has its ebbs and flows, but overall it's been good. And I've got new opportunities coming up with it that I think are going to build it even more. And life is much more stress free now that I'm in control of my own
Right.
business, my own cash flow.
Are you able to make 70 to $120 per hour?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
With it, so nice.
yeah. Sometimes more.
I hear, I know.